Now that you know how to replace image, apply animation, and adjust the timing, it's time for step 3, changing the audio. To change the audio, scroll down to the bottom of the animation panel where the audio track is located. Click on it and then tap Delete Track if you are editing in laptop or PC. To add in a new audio, go to Elements and type a search in the search bar. For example, Happy Birthday. Then select Audio. Preview sounds by tapping on the play button that appears on the left of the title.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
birthday to
birthday to you.
Once you have made a selection from Canva's stock audio, click on it to bring it in your design. If you are editing from your phone, you can just tap on the audio and select Replace, select and tap on your new song. Now that you have the audio, you can adjust the timing of the audio by dragging the start and end left or right. To adjust which part of the song to play within the video, long press anywhere on the audio and drag left or right. As a last step, play and review your design, making sure all the text, animation, timing, and audio works well together into an amazing, smooth, animated mobile invitation.
happy birthday to you.
Once you are happy with it, download your design as an MP4 video format. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can now easily edit a mobile invitation purchased from us. You are now ready to send a lovely digital invitation to all your invitees. Send it as a phone message or as an attachment to an email. I'm sure your invitees will be delighted to receive an amazing invite complete with a matching lovely background audio. If you are new here and don't already have one of our editable invitations, there's a link in the description to make a purchase. Thanks for watching.